how to add videos and audios to your Google Slides. To add video, you'll want to go to Insert, come down to Video. Now you can add a YouTube. You can search on YouTube for it. Or if you already know which YouTube video you want, you can paste the YouTube URL right here. If you want to use your own videos in your own Google Drive, you click on Drive, and what's going to pop up is all the videos that you have created. You simply insert it, and there it is. It can be played. So you can either click on the play button, or what I always say, it's easier on video sometimes to go into present mode to click on it. Know that if you are using YouTube videos, that if you are in a district, some districts do block YouTube. So you might want to check with the district, because if you do add a YouTube video, your students might not be able to see it. So that is for adding videos. And also when you add a video, whether it's YouTube or your own personal, on the side here, they now have a video playback where you can actually have the video start at a certain time on that video and end at a certain time. So if you have a video that's 15 minutes long, and you only want to show a short clip of it, you could set it for maybe 2 minutes and put the questions here. On a second slide, then you could have the same video and set it for the next 4 minutes. So for example, I could set this one to start at 0 and end it at 2. Okay, so this one again, start at 0, end at 2. So I can change this so I can have the video start at 0 and end at 2. And now when it's playing, it's only going to play for the 2 minutes. So notice it stopped it right there at 2 minutes. So that's great, because then you can have some questions on the side here for them to answer for that 2-minute clip. And then on this next video, what you can do, you just go into Format Options, you click on it, go to Format Options, and now you can start this one at the 2-minute mark and end it at the 5.5 or 4-minute mark, whatever you want. So you can give them a little bit of the video each time and then add some questions that you want them maybe to answer on the side. So that's inserting video. Now for audio, you can now add audio to your Google Slides. To do that, go to Insert and click on Audio. Now for audio, it does need to be in your Google Drive. So you can record audio on your computer or on your phone, and you need to then upload it to your Google Drive. And once you've done that, then you can see your audio programs that you have either in your drive or in your Shared With Me drive. And you can then select the audio you want them to play. This is a great way also for students to record reading passages for you to hear them reading out loud. And then you just hit the play button and you can see the audio that way. So that is a great way to add audio to your Google Slides. So with the audio, you can have it so it loops. You can have it so it plays automatically. You can maybe have a reading here and have you actually reading the story out loud, and have the students could then click on the audio and hear you read the story. So lots of great ways now that we can add audio to our Google Slides.
Thank you for watching another Adventures in iSTEM and Beyond video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more Adventures in iSTEM and Beyond videos. For more ideas on how to incorporate science, technology, and skills for life into your classroom, go to adventuresinISTEM.com.